Hey everyone! If you love designing in Figma, you are in for a treat. Today, I'll be sharing 9 must-know tips and tricks that will boost your workflow and save you tons of time. Stick around till the end because the last tip is a game changer. Let's get started. Tip number 1: Quick duplicate. Instead of copy-pasting elements, just hold Alt or Option on Mac plus drag to quickly duplicate any object. This is perfect for making multiple copies without breaking your flow. Next we have Smart Selection. If you have multiple objects, select them and hit Shift+R to activate the Smart Selection tool. You can then adjust spacing between elements evenly without manually aligning them. Tip 3: Scale proportionally. Scaling objects? Don't distort them. Hold K to activate scale mode. Then resize objects while keeping them proportional. This works great for resizing buttons, images, or even entire frames. Tip 4: Use auto layout like a pro. Auto layout is a lifesaver for keeping your designs flexible. Select any frame and press Shift+A to convert it into an auto layout container. This makes resizing and stacking elements super easy. Pro tip: use the right panel to tweak padding, alignment, and direction. Tip 5: Command search. Quick actions. Can't remember a shortcut? Just hit Command+/ or Control+/ on Windows and type what you need. This Quick Actions menu lets you search for any tool, function, or plugin without hunting through menus. Tip 6: Magic components with variants. Variants in Figma take components to the next level. Instead of creating multiple buttons manually, use variants to define different states like hover, disabled, or active. This makes UI design super efficient. Tip 7: Apply multiple effects. Want to add a cool glow and shadow to your elements? Figma lets you stack multiple effects. Simply go to the Effects panel, add shadows, blurs, or inner glows for stunning visuals. Tip 8: Quick color picker. No need to guess colors. Just select an object and press I to activate the eyedropper tool. Click anywhere on your design to instantly pick that color. A small trick that saves so much time. Tip 9: Plugins for superpowers. Last but not least, Figma plugins. These can supercharge your workflow. Try Unsplash for free images, remove .bg to erase backgrounds, and Iconify for thousands of icons. Just hit Command+/, type, plugins, and explore. And there you have it, 9 Figma tips and tricks to speed up your workflow and take your designs to the next level. If you found these helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome design content. Got a favorite Figma trick? Drop it in the comments below. See you in the next one.